Welcome you all for this video. First of all, thanks to everyone who are supporting my channel. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and like my channel Array of Success. Today we are going to discussing about transpose of a matrix. To understand this concept, we can take a matrix A. A can be written as square bracket Aij. Its order become m cross n. Okay. Also we can write a matrix A in the general form, that is A11, A12, A13, then A21, A22 and A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Also we need to find out the transpose of a matrix. Okay, here to represent a transform we can write A1 or we can use AT. Okay, this is the representation of transpose of a matrix. It should be equal to, here we going to find out the transpose of this matrix. That means here we change the rows and columns. That means the rows of A matrix become the columns of A transpose matrix. Also the columns of A matrix should be equal to the rows of A transpose matrix. Okay, that means A11, A12, A13 is the first row of A matrix. So to find the A transpose, here I am going to write it is the first column of A transpose matrix. That means A11, A12, A13. So the rows of A becomes the columns of transpose matrix. Did you get the point? The row become columns in A transpose. Also take the second row A21, A22, A23. It become the second column of A transpose matrix. So we can write A21, A22 and A23. Likewise, we can take the third row A31, A32, A33. This is the transpose of A matrix. Here row become columns, also column become row. Here the first column become A11, A21, A31. It should be equal to the first row of A transpose matrix. That means A11, A21 and A31. It means that rows of A matrix equal to the columns of A transpose matrix. Okay, next columns of A matrix become the rows of A transpose matrix. This is the concept of A transpose or transpose of a matrix. Okay, so we can write the general form of A transpose matrix. A transpose should be equal to, here Ji, because here rows of A matrix become the columns of A transpose matrix. Also column of A matrix become the rows of A transpose matrix. So we can write A transpose equal to, so we can write A transpose equal to square bracket Aj n cross m. Also its element can be written as A1. Okay, so A transpose equal to square bracket A1 Ji, its order become n cross m. So this is the concept of a transpose of a matrix. Also let's move to the properties of a transpose of a matrix. What are the properties? First property, A transpose, the whole transpose should be equal to A. Okay. To understand this concept, we can take a matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 0. Okay. First we find out A transpose. What is the transpose? Rows become column. So 1, 2, 1, 2, then 2, 0, 2, 0. Again find the transpose of this A transpose. That is A transpose the whole transpose. It should be equal to rows become columns 1, 2, 2, 0. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So if you compare these two matrices, both are equal. So we can say A transpose, the whole transpose should be equal to A matrix. Okay. Second property, A plus or minus, addition or subtraction. B, the whole transpose should be equal to A transpose plus or minus B transpose. This property is applicable for both addition and subtraction. So here we can take only addition. Okay. A equal to 1, 2, 2, 0 and B is equal to minus 1, 3, 0, 4. Okay. First A plus B. What is A plus B? Adding corresponding elements. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 0, 4. Okay, then find A plus B, the whole transpose. 0, 5 the first row, it become column. Then 2, 4. Okay, this is equation number 1. Next we find A transpose. That become 1, 2, 2, 0. Next find B transpose. It should be equal to minus 1, 3, 0, 4. Okay. Again find A transpose plus B transpose. One minus 1, 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 0 plus 4, 4. This is equation number 2. If you compare first and second equation, both are equal. So we can say A plus or minus B, the whole transpose should be equal to A transpose plus or minus B transpose. Okay. Third property, AB, the whole transpose should be equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay. To prove this condition, we can take two matrix. We can take the previous matrix. A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 0. B is equal to minus 1, 3, 0, 4. First A into B. 1 into minus 1 become minus 1 plus 2 into 0 become 0. Then 1 into 3 become 3 plus 2 into 4 become 8. Then 2 into minus 1 become minus 2 plus 0 into 0 becomes 0. Then 2 into 3 becomes 6 plus 0 into 4 become 0. Minus 1, 11, minus 2, 6. Next find AB transpose. So row become column. So minus 1, 11, then minus 2, 6. Equation number 1. Then we can take B transpose. Minus 1, 3, 0, 4. Also A transpose. 1, 2, 2, 0. Next multiply B transpose into A transpose. We can multiply. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. 0 into 2 becomes 0. Minus 1 into 2 become minus 2. 0 into 0 becomes 0. Then 3 into 1 become 3. 4 into 2 become 8. Also 3 into 2 becomes 6 plus 0. It is equal to minus 1 minus 2, 11, then 6. If you compare equation number 1 and 2, both are equal. So we can say AB the whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Next, fourth property. K into A the whole transpose should be equal to K into A transpose. K is a scalar. So we can take K is equal to 5. Okay. Also K into A. We already take A matrix. So 5 into 1 become 5. 2 into 5 become 10. 2 into 5 become 10. Then 0. Then find K into A the whole transpose. 5, 10, 10, 0. Okay, this is equation number 1. Then we know A transpose. Okay. Then 5 K into A transpose. That means 5 into A transpose become 1, 2, 2, 0. It is equal to 5, 10, 10, 0. Equation number 2. If you compare equation number 1 and 2, both are equal. So we can say K into A the whole transpose equal to K into A transpose. So these are the properties about transpose of a matrix. Thank you.